Hertzsprung Russell Diagram. The Hertzsprung Russell Diagram, commonly known as the HR diagram, is one of the most important tools used in space physics and astronomy. It helps scientists understand the physical properties of stars and how they evolve over time. The HR diagram is a graph that shows the relationship between a star's brightness and its surface temperature. On the vertical axis of the diagram, we plot the luminosity of stars. Luminosity tells us how much energy a star emits and how bright it truly is. Brighter stars are placed higher on the diagram, while dimmer stars appear lower. On the horizontal axis, we plot the surface temperature of stars. This axis is unusual because the temperature decreases from left to right. Hot, blue stars are found on the left side, while cooler, red stars are located on the right. Along this axis, stars are also classified by their spectral types, arranged in the order O, B, I, F, G, K, and M, from hottest to coolest. Most stars, including our Sun, are found along a diagonal band called the main sequence. Stars on the main sequence are stable and generate energy by fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. Massive, hot stars appear at the top left of the main sequence, while smaller, cooler stars appear at the bottom right. A star spends the majority of its lifetime in this region. Above the main sequence are the Giants and Supergiants. These stars are extremely bright but relatively cool. Their high luminosity is due to their enormous size. Giants and supergiants represent late stages in stellar evolution, when stars have exhausted the hydrogen fuel in their cores and expanded outward. In the lower left region of the HR diagram, we find white dwarfs. These stars are very hot but faint because they are extremely small. White dwarfs are the final stage in the life cycle of low and medium mass stars. They no longer produce energy through nuclear fusion and slowly cool over time. The HR diagram also helps astronomers understand stellar evolution. As a star ages, it moves across different regions of the diagram. A star begins its life on the main sequence, later becomes a red giant or supergiant, and finally ends as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole, depending on its mass. In space physics, the HR diagram is used to classify stars, determine their size, estimate their age, and study star clusters and galaxies. It provides a clear visual summary of how stars are born, live, and eventually die. In conclusion, the Hertzsprung Russell diagram is a powerful tool that links temperature, luminosity, and stellar evolution, making it essential for understanding the life cycles of stars in our universe.